All right, in the theme of the classics this month, we're going to be doing some juicy classic hip work. And hip work is, you know, we're belly dancing, so our hips are so important, and good technique is so valuable. Doing drills and repetitions and building up that technique, building up your muscles, working internally as well as externally is so important. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be getting deep into some juicy hip technique. We're going to do some Egyptian twist, some Omis, and all sorts of juicy things mixed in together. All right, let's get to it. Hip technique. Let's start with our first movement. I call it the Egyptian twist. Some of you call it the jewel. That's okay. So what I want to think about is getting a stretch on the front of the body. Let me face you for a second. So I think about that hip bone going straight down and away from my rib cage. Hip bone goes down and away from the rib cage. See how both heels are flat on the floor? Keep those feet nice and flat. Feel grounded and earthy. That's going to help you a lot. Down, straighten the leg, twist, pull back and in. Straight down, opposite leg is straight, one leg is bent. Then you're going to straighten both, add the twist, take it back, pull it in. And then you're going to get like the end of the sentence of a camel. In and back, in and back, in and back. So use those muscles right above your pubic bone. So let's get to that. We're going to start on the right foot. We're going to go down, slow, back, pull, down, up, back, pull. So we're going to do one very slow, and then we're going to do tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have an 8 count slow, 8 count tempo. We're going to step on the right, get a nice stretch. You can add the arms if you like. So get a big stretch here, lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to drag that. So use that left oblique a lot. And you can use a slight micro bend in that right leg. Up and drag and come together. Keep the left heel up. Then we're going to do Omis to the left, going outside. You can do a level change. You can add a little bit of a twist. Play with that, but pull in. With the Omi, you want to think about pulling in and in. Pull, 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 pull. That's where I talk about that juiciness. So really pull in, work eternally. Let's take it from the top, starting on the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drag. 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat on the left. Slow left. 2, 3, and 4. Right, back, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch left and stretch. Drag. Get that figure 8 going. Right oblique. 7, 8. Now Omi out to the right. Level change. Pull in from the belly. 8 count here. So play with that level. You can add the twist. Let's take it from the top again. Here we go. Starting on the right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take your time. 6, 7, and 8. Tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drag. 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hip. 6, 7, 8. Only right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So be sure to get that 1 count. That's the most important thing. Set yourself up. Step flat on that right foot. Heel is down. Both heels are down. Right leg is bent, left leg is straight. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's put that together with some nice Beledi juicy music.